Hello. Today we're going to discuss a little bit of basic information about understanding equations. To begin with, we're going to discuss some vocabulary. Our vocabulary today is equation. An equation is true when both sides of the equation are equal. An equation will always have an equal sign. And to figure out if both sides are equal, what you need to do is you need to substitute each value of the variable to find the solution. So in my example right here, I have d plus 9 equals 35. So I need to substitute 16, 22, 26, and 36 in for d. So I'm going to do 16 plus 9, which is 25. So that doesn't work. Next, I'm going to do 22 plus 9. 22 plus 9 is 31. And I'm going to do 26 plus 9. Well, 26 plus 9 is 35. And I'm going to do 36 plus 9, which would give me 45. So which one gives me the answer of 35? 26 right here. So my answer would be 26 plus 9 equals 35. So the only way I figured it out is by substituting. Let's do another example. Let me clear the screen. Just a minute. There we go. Okay, so we're going to work through a couple of examples now. So if I have 5 plus x equals 22, I need to substitute 7, 12, 17, and 20 in for 5 to figure out which one plus 5 equals 22. So I'm going to do 5 plus 7. Well, 5 plus 7 is 12. That doesn't work. Let me do another one. Let's do 5 plus 12. 5 plus 12 will give me 17. Well, I'm looking for 22, so that's not right either. Now let's look at 17. 5 plus 17 is 22. So that one does work. And now I'm going to do 20 plus 5 equals 25. That is not 22 either. So my answer would be 17. So that would be the correct value to make my equation true. Now, let's do another example. Let's do n minus 9 equals 33. So I'm going to substitute 14, 24, 32, and 42 in for n. So 14 minus 9. That is 5. So that doesn't work. Now let's try another one. Let's try 24 minus 9. That is 5. That one works. Perfect. Let's try another one. 32 minus 9. That would give me 23. So that one does not work. And let's look at 42 minus 9. Well, if 23, oh, wait. Yeah, I messed up. This one right here gives me 5. That doesn't work either. 42 minus 9 would give me 33. So that one would work. I don't know why I thought 5 right here, but that one was incorrect. So my answer would be 42. 42 minus 9 gives me 33. Now let's do another one. 32 divided by p equals 9. I can't talk today. 27 divided by p equals 9. So 27 divided by 3. Well, that will give me 9. Let's look at the next one. 27 divided by 4. 27 divided by 4 is 8 with a remainder. So that one doesn't give me 9. Let's look at 27 divided by 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So it would give me a 4 with a remainder. Well, that one won't work either. And now let's look at 27 divided by 7. Well, I know 7 times 4 is 28. That's nowhere near 9. So my answer with this one would be 27 divided by 3. Let's do one more example. 81 equals 9 times y. So 9 times 2 would give me 18. 18 does not equal 81. Let's do 9 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45. Does 45 equal 81? No, it does not. Now let's look at 9 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. Does that equal 81? No. Now let's look at 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Does 81 equal 81? Yes, it does. Perfect. So my answer here would be 9. Now, let's go to another screen. Now we need to tell if it is true or false for k equals 4. So I have to use that substitute word and substitute foreign for each k and solve the problem. So I'm going to do 32 divided by 4. Well, 32 divided by 4 is 8. So 8 equals 8. That one does work. Perfect. Let's do the next one. 4 equals 31 minus 27. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So yes, 4 equals 4. Does that work? Yes, it does. I would say true right here. I would say true right here. Now let's look at 43.6 minus k, which is 4, equals 38.6. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 43.6 minus 4 is 39.6. So this one would say 39.6 equals 38.6. Does that work? No, it does not work. So this one is false. Now, let's go to our next set of problems. Tell which value of the variable is a solution to the equation. In order to do this, I have to substitute. So I have to substitute a 17.4. So let me do 41.1 minus 17.4. I have to borrow. My 1 becomes an 11, and this becomes a 0. This is going to become a 10, and this is going to become a 3. 11 minus 4 is 7. 10 minus 7 is 3, and 3 minus 1 is 2. 23.7. Did I get that as my answer? Yes, I did. This one, it does work. Just to show you that the other ones do not work, I am going to subtract them. So I'm going to do 41.1 minus 18.4. I can't do 1 minus 4, so I've got to borrow, and my 1 becomes a 0. 11 minus 4 is 7. I can't do 0 minus 8. I have to borrow from my 4. It becomes a 3, and my 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, and 3 minus 1 is 2. 22.7. Is that the answer I'm looking for? Nope, it is not. That doesn't work. Let's do another one. 41.1 minus 27.4. Well, I have to borrow again. My 1 becomes an 11, and my 1 becomes a 0. 11 minus 4 is 7. Now I have to borrow from my 4. It becomes a 3, and my 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 13.7. Is that 23.7? Nope, it is not. That doesn't work. And let's do another one. 41.1 minus 64.8. This one's a little tricky because I'm working with negatives. And so I basically have to do the opposite and then switch the symbol. So 64.8 minus 41.1, 7, 3, 2, 23.7, but I have to put the negative symbol here, so it's negative 23.7. Does negative 23.7 equal 23.7? No, it does not. So this one doesn't work. So my answer would be 17.4. Let's work on number 9. I have D plus 19.6 equals 34.5. So I'm going to take 19.6 and I'm going to add it to each of these solutions over here. 19.6 plus 13.1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 9 plus 3 is 12. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 32.7. Does that equal 34.5? Nope, it does not. I'm going to put a sad face. Let's do another one. 19.6 plus 13.9. 6 plus 9 is 14. No, 15, sorry. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 3 is 13. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So I've got 33.5. Does that work? Nope. I'm going to put another sad face. Now let's look at 19.6 plus 14.9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 4 is 14. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and I need to bring my decimal point down, and I've got 34.5. Is that what I'm looking for? Yes, it is. And let's do one more. 19.6 plus 22.9. 6 plus 9 is 15. 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 42, and I need to bring my decimal down. 42.5. Is that what I'm looking for? Nope, it is not. So my answer would be 14.9 right here. Now we have a word problem. Reasoning. Ada is putting autographed baseballs in a display case. The display case can hold 28 baseballs, and there are already 17 baseballs in the case. Ada thinks that she can display 9 more baseballs, and the display case will be full. How can we use the equation 17 plus b equals 28 to check if she is right? Well, what I would do is she wants to put 9 baseballs, so I'm going to do 17 plus 9 because Ada thinks that we can put 9 balls in and have it equal 28. So 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 plus 1 is 2. I get 26. So would the ball case be full? No, it would not, because I can still fit 2 more balls into my case. That is all for our lesson today. I hope you learned something, and good luck on your assignment.